talk to you. But I went to my spinning knitting group last week. Some of the women knew that I had had the hip done in April,
And you're how far out now?
3 weeks on
3
the
weeks.
left.
Okay.
And they were amazed. I had no cane. I was doing really well. And one woman who didn't realize I had it done, but whose husband had it done somewhere else last February, you had your hip done when? And at that time it was 2 weeks. And she's just jaw dropped. She's just absolutely like, it can't be. I feel good. I really feel good. And I'm very, very happy. And I don't know how to convince people to at least talk to you.
So you're going to go back, and you pretty much been back to doing everything. No cane, no.
No, I haven't used the cane dependably for almost 2 weeks. I keep it with me just in case, because that's not stupid. I'm not vacuuming. I'm waiting for permission, and please don't give it to me yet.
Probably, I would think 6 months on vacuuming.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank
yeah.
you.
And
That sounds like someone else's job for at least 6 months.
I'll do anything else, but I just feel really, really good.
good, I'm glad.
Really, really good.
That's the whole point of Avatar. I mean, this is exactly what we're trying to accomplish, and you're doing fantastic.
Well, thank you very much for it. It's incredible, and I'm telling everybody, every time I see on Facebook that you have a seminar coming up, I'm shooting out memos to everybody. Some people think I'm wacky, but it's like, fine, talk to them. It doesn't cost anything. Just find out. So